How do you emphasize something in a direct quote? I'm Pierce from Van Dunk Edits, and in June I'm giving you 30 days of citation tips. Say you are quoting something directly from a source and you want to emphasize a particular word or phrase. First, you want to only use italics for this in Chicago or Turabian style. No bold, no underline, no all caps, nothing like that, just italics. And then in the footnote, at the end of the citation, but before the period, you want to add a phrase like emphasis mine or italics added or something like that. It can be anything so long as it makes sense. On the other hand, if there were already italics or some other form of emphasis in the quote and you want to make sure it was clear that you didn't add that, you want to add a phrase like emphasis original. You don't have to memorize all these rules. You can hire us to help you out with this stuff. Go ahead and go to vandunkedits.com today and book a free consultation.